Evangeline isn't here because she has a really busy night and she has to eat. She has to say her prayers, eat dinner, and then go to chapel. So, but she'll be here tomorrow. And I'll be showing you all the animals that are in the barn on Toca farm. This is the bison. It's either a bison or a bull. Probably a bull, because bisons are wild. Here are the sheep. I think the baby sheep are really cute. A lot of the animals are still in this thing. I need to take them out of here. Because I played this a long time ago. And also I was moving some of the other animals here to show you. So, I got the blue hen. I got the rooster, which makes a really annoying sound. And I got the tan chicken. Also this rainbow baby llama. It has rainbow poop, but I didn't bring that because it's gross. Oh, here are the cows. Well, that's it. Bye. See you in the next video.